Hello friends, welcome to my channel English with Goody. Do you understand English but can't speak? Why it is so? You know all the ins and outs of grammar. On top of that, you can also understand English podcast, stories and conversation. But when it comes to speaking, you lose your track. So don't worry, congratulations, it's me Goody, and in today's video I am going to deal with these problems. This video will have two parts. In the first part, I will discuss about the problems, and in the second part, I will come up with the solution. So the first problem is that you don't have enough time to construct English sentences in your mind while speaking English language because you are speaking in real time. Listening, writing and reading, these all are called passive skills. Let's take an example. If you are writing something and you forget the word, then what do? You have freedom to think about the word. You can also search the meaning of that word, right? But on the contrary, speaking is a different skill. It requires a lot of ingredients like your voice, eye contact, presence of mind, your body language and everything. Obviously, it's very challenging for the beginners to speak. Now, the second problem is that you have a lot of emotion, thoughts and ideas to share, but you have limited vocabulary. That's the reason you get stuck while speaking to someone. Am I right? The third problem is that you don't have patience while learning English language. I am telling you, while learning English language, it's very significant to keep patience because patience is the also form of action. And the fourth problem is that don't compare yourself to athletes and actors because they use impressive and fancy words and phrases. So if you will start comparing yourself initially when you are at your beginner stage, then definitely you will get demotivated because they have personal trainer. So be yourself and try to speak as you are. Don't copy others. Now coming to the solution. The first solution is that take a long route. Don't feel ashamed. Let's take an example. If I ate something and I don't know the meaning what I ate, then how would I express it to others? I would say I ate something that was round in shape and it was red in color and really it was delicious, yummy, sweet. Then the other person would definitely understand, yes, you are talking about the apple, right? So what is wrong if I am taking long route in the beginning? So you are totally free to take long route at your novice stage. Don't feel ashamed. Second solution is that start practicing a storytelling. By doing a storytelling, you can enhance your vocabulary, phrases and sentences in English expressions and so on. So I want to tell you, pick up any of English story as per your choice. That would be of 5 to 6 minutes. That's enough in a day. And just keep practicing. You won't believe, after 20 days you will see an amazing results by doing this. But remember one thing, while doing a storytelling, don't run behind multiple contents or multiple stories in a day. The reason is, having said that, if you want to catch two rabbits at the same time, then definitely you can't even catch either one. अगर आप एक समय में दो खरगोश को पकड़ना चाहते हैं तो आप यकीन जानिए आप एक भी नहीं पकड़ सकेंगे. The last one is very crucial. It's very significant that join any English community, join any English platform where you can practice with co-learners in English on daily basis, right? So, well friends, it's my humble request to you, by following all these things what I said, you will definitely see amazing results in your language learning journey. Well, in upcoming videos, I will share what are the mistakes that you should not make while practicing on English applications. I hope guys you really enjoy this video and it's an informative video. Then definitely I just be in tuned for upcoming videos. Thank you so much for watching.